Hello, everyone. This is the English we speak. With me, Fei Fei.
And me, Rob. Hey, Fei, this is all a bit weird, isn't it?
A bit weird. What do you mean?
Well, us not being in the same studio, you not being able to make me a cup of tea, us not going out for lunch. It's not.
It's not normal. It's certainly different, Rob. But it's good to have some time apart, isn't it?
Oh, I don't know. It's not like it used to be. Things have changed.
Well, Rob, this is the new normal. It's a new English expression that describes the way people will live their lives during and after the coronavirus outbreak.
Oh, right. Does that mean I get some new examples as well?
It does, and here they are.
After lockdown, things won't be the same. We'll have to get used to a new normal. Getting up at 6 a.m. and going for a run every day is my new normal, and it feels good. The new normal means working from home more and not going into the office.
This is the English we speak from BBC Learning English. And in this program, we're learning about the expression new normal, which describes the way people will live their lives during and after the coronavirus outbreak. Rob, I'm sure we'll get used to the new normal. Sometimes it's good to change our routine.
Yes, but I like my routine. Go to the office, drink tea, eat biscuits, talk to you, go for lunch.
Maybe the new normal will be good for your health and your work.
Oh, come on, Fei, there must be something about the old normal that you miss.
Let me have a think. Making you tea, listening to your stories, giving you my biscuits? No, I think I'll get used to the new normal. And so should you, Rob.
OK, Fei, I'll give it a try. Now, I better go and do some work.
Wow, that's not normal. That sounds like a new Rob. Bye.
Bye.